What do we have here? A OPPO A52. Now I'm a Samsung guy and also like Apple, and I never used an OPPO to judge the quality. This is the 4 gig 64 gigabyte 4 gig RAM 64 gig storage. It's the dual SIM version if I remember. Yeah, IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and OPPO CPH2069. Apparently it's got an AI quad-com camera, 18 watt fast charger. It's a new mobile phone. It's the Australian version. This product is only for sale and used in Australia. Okay. You know, there will be another video after this where I will actually disassemble this phone internally, use it as a donor to fix another OPPO. So with it, you get a SIM card tray, eject tool, recycle using mobile master, nice case, rubber case, product registration, warranty card, and NFC, quick guide. Okay, right, okay, just some information. I don't really care. Neo display, 1080p, whatever that means. Okay, so in the box you get your phone, you get a earpiece similar to Apple style. I guess that's the 18 watt charger, so 9 volts at 2 amps, that's 18 watts. Alright, and Type-C cable. And I'm hoping I can disassemble this phone neatly, properly, so that it can later be, you know, resold. So here it is, plasticky feel. This is about Australian, depending on where you buy, about 280, 300 as of publishing of this video. There is a, I think there is a glass protector. Yeah, there is a film protector on it already. It's nice, manufacturers do that now, so you don't have to bother with that. And I feel the glass protectors actually don't really do much, just a scratch resistant, you know, because the glass protector breaks by itself, even in your pocket. It's just crazy. Okay. Let's just cool. It shows whether 2.4 and 5G is available on each of the Wi-Fi's. That's something new. Yep. Joining to the Wi-Fi. How does it compare? Let's say to, that's my Galaxy Note 8. My Note 9 screen smashed. That's my backup Note 8. I damaged it further. So screen size actually bigger on the OPPO. Yeah, look at the condition. Wow. I could fix it. Probably buy a Note 20. I just feel the price does not justify the Note 20. It's way overpriced. Like the Ultra 5G. Why so many models? It's just crazy. Okay, except with the Note 20 they removed that feature. You know, in Note 10, 9 you can just tap the middle and the screen unlocks. You can't. On the Note 20 you gotta press the lock button. Okay, later. Okay. Right. So I'm just curious how this phone unlocks. Can you unlock through here? No, okay, so it has to be through the lock. Okay, let's see how bright the phone gets. That's nice. I like the brightness. Settings. About phone. Android version 10. Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. 4 gig RAM, 64 gig. Okay. Split screen. Okay. Yeah, I probably won't ever use this phone. I'm not a OPPO fan. You generally want to choose who you want to be spied upon. You choose, you know, China, or you choose Russia, US. Very shaky. If I try to do the same on Galaxy, this is the Note 8. Maybe my hand is shaky. So if I'm holding the phone like this, and I'm focusing on, let's focus on that chip there. It's a capacitor. And let's do the same here. Now, see, it's keep trying to focus. And I believe the Samsung camera has some sort of a stabilizer to help stabilize the image. Like in these small details which you don't notice, you pay money for. You know, they make your life easy. It's the same distance. Try and focus properly. You can see the Note 8 has a better stable zoom. Anyway, of course there's a huge price difference on both. Okay, so look, that's about it. I don't usually review phones, but I thought I might as well for this one. Volume up, volume down. What else I can tell? Maybe the let's open up YouTube. Hope that didn't trigger a stupid copyright claim. Alright, I've got the owner of the phone here. He doesn't mind me smashing the phone or breaking it. So we need to replace the battery, yeah? Alright. So we need some tools apparently. So there is a speaker on the top left. Doesn't know what tools we need, so... Somewhere here. Somewhere here. And there is a speaker here as well. Here we go. Is there a way to make a fuller screen? I've got the owner of the phone here. He doesn't mind me smashing the phone or breaking it. So we need to replace the battery, yeah? Yeah. Alright. So we need some tools apparently. Oh, I see. He doesn't know what tools we need, so... Is it yours or someone else?
It's mine.
Did you steal it or...?
No man, I bought it brand new.
Yeah, that's what I don't like about these camera holes, you know? Annoying.
Is the screen cracked? No. You want it cracked?
Okay. Yeah, not my style. Anyway. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.